Alrighty, folks. One of the things we love to do here is talk to operators, not only operators that can help you get lending done, but they're actually doing deals. Jonathan shared with us how he did a deal in Koreatown last year that's going well. Last week, he said, Michael, I want to talk about this new deal that I'm super excited about. So let's hear about it. What's going on, Jonathan? Tell us about this next thing you're playing with.
Well, it's like everyone else that's trying to buy good investment deals right now, it's a bit of a ride, right? So for a lot of ORAT listeners reach out to me and ask me, hey, how's that last deal going? It's the progress is almost done. Final inspection is happening, so I'm getting ready to get tenants in there. But it looks good. ADU, again, recap is we bought it very under market. It's worth probably as is. It was worth like 2 million. We bought it at 1.6, put like 200 grand into it, a little bit. Built an ADU, built a back ADU, so it's like 3 technical units. Total 10 bed, 10 bath count, and then now it's worth probably, I think the ARV came out to be like 2.3. So we built quite a bit of spread there. But
Yep.
this new one I was looking to buy is down the street. It was off market. It was, and this is why it's so important, right, for a lot of investors to be in the market that,
Yes.
actually be there physically walking these properties. Because it was the weirdest thing. I saw this sign. It said, it was like a trustee sale. So it said, offer your best price. And that was the like,
That was it. That was it.
that was it. They had the phone number, listing agent, offer your best price. And we were like, okay. So we actually went in on this kind of a different approach than the last one. We decided that before we even went in, we wanted to do an ARV appraisal, drive-by appraisal, because that costs us maybe $350 to $600 at most, and
Yeah.
I think going forward, that's a strategy I'm going to use every time, because it gives me, before writing an offer, the what I really want to get into. So we found out the as-is valuation was like 1.9 to 2. Right, same. It's down the street from my other house. So we were like, this is an amazing deal. We're gonna go in at 1.6. We went in at 1.6, and the opponent was a big Koreatown developer. And we were, schmoozing the agent, schmoozing the actual trustee. Like, we were like really meeting at the property, saw it all. It looked great. And then I think unfortunately, I think the agent kind of messed up a little bit, but he was like, hey, you know what? I want you guys to get the deal. I'm going to go ahead and send a ridiculous offer that I don't think that the developer will take. And so he sent a counter at 2.1, and the developer took it. And
No.
yeah. But here's the reason why he took it, because I don't have the experience personally of doing ground up construction, but that property, the reason why we wanted it was a single family residence with an ADU, but it's an R3 zoning, which means that you can build, I think, up to 36 units on it. And the ARV with, if it was 9 units, would have been like, I think like 3.5 to 4 mil. And then if we built 36 units on it, it would have been worth like 8 or 9 mil. So, we wanted to almost like buy it, get the plans done, get it RTI, which ready to issue, break ground, and then try to sell it or hold on to it and do it. But obviously the developer knows what they're doing on the back end. They know the valuation on the back. So we fell into a second backup position on that deal. So that's unfortunate.
So it's not done though.
It's not. Luckily, it's not. So our hopes are still up, because that's what happened in our last deal too. Is someone else beat us out, and then we stuck to our guns. We're like, we're not offering more than this number, and then they came back and took it. So hopefully this happens the same. But the pain of investing in this market, even still,
it's hard.
It's hard, right? And I feel it personally.
It's hard.
And I feel everyone's pain, where everyone's like, hey, like, I can't get this deal. I just got bid out. I'm like, yeah, that's what's happening right now for investors. We're going to talk about that on the next video too. But, it's a tough market. It's a really tough market. Yeah.
Well, again, I just love the fact that we bring on real experts. We don't bring on people that are just reading blog posts and just talking the talk. We bring on people really doing it. Convoy Home Loans is the 5th largest non-QM lender in the country, 6th in all origination. Thank you for being here. Thank you, Jonathan, and your partner, Dustin, for supporting One Rental at a Time each and every week. Where can somebody find you if they wanted to get something going?
Go to convoyhomeloans.com and please let us know you came from where we're at.
Thank you, buddy.